Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, where we take sewing machines, open them up, and then do a video on every page of the manual. So we're working on the BERNINA 570 Quilters Edition and with the optional embroidery module as well. But if you are really ready to take your learning to the next level, we have developed a over 8-hour-long course. The BERNINA Stitching Cosmos online course is designed to help you work through all the beautiful decorative stitches, all the BERNINA functions, really help you understand how to use them, plus 18 of my favorite BERNINA accessory feet. So this is a course that once you purchase it, it is yours to keep for life, and you can refer back to it at any given time. So whether you have a BERNINA now and you get a new one, you have accessories you bought and you've never taken them out of the package, we are here to help. With over 25 different sewing techniques that you're going to watch me make and work through on a BERNINA machine, step by step, I guarantee that you will know more about your machine than you ever dreamed possible. Now, if you're not a quilter and you look at this and go, but oh, I don't want to make a quilt, that's okay, because the techniques can be applied to anything from your next home deck project, garment, or gifts that you might be making for family and friends. These are techniques that have been a staple for BERNINA users for years, and I can't wait to show you how wonderful your machine is and can be used for. Definitely take a look at the BERNINA Stitch Book. That is one of the videos you can watch for free. The Stitch Book will have you stitching out every one of your decorative stitches so you truly know what is in this machine, how it stitches out, and how exciting those stitches can be. So I hope you'll enjoy the free videos that we're making for YouTube. Plus, when you're ready to take that next step, I hope to see you in one of our online courses in the future. We also have our BERNINA Embroidery Essentials online course if you happen to own the embroidery module for your BERNINA 570 Quilters Edition machine. I hope to see you in class soon.